Here is a smartphone in my hands. You can watch. Nice. So I use it each day, and it's very useful for my life because I do everything by this phone. My classes, my works, my communications activities, and my entertainment, my reading study, each works I do by this phone, because this is why this phone is very useful for me. Each day I use it, and right now this phone is not available. It's a unusable. This is why I am in a big problem. That's why I cannot do my daily work. I cannot do my daily works because this phone is unusable right now. I'm thinking to buy new phone to do my daily works. So you know that each work depends on smartphone, means online. Today's world is online. This is why everything is depend on computer, laptop, PC, or mobile phone. Moreover, these are very important for communication. And if I haven't a smartphone, I won't communicate with my friends. It's normal. I won't communicate with my friends if I don't have it. So it helps me to communicate with my friends. Moreover, perform my money transferring, and I transfer money by this phone, as well as my mother calls with her relatives. So each day my mother calls to her relatives, so I use it each day, as well as my mother, my sister, my elder brother, everyone uses it each day to perform his daily works, their daily works. So that this is why it's very important for me to do my everyday daily works. So I use it, and right now it's not usable because it touches doesn't work. The touch of this phone doesn't work. That's why I cannot use it properly. Then when I use it, then I lost my temper because temperature. When I use it, then I use my temperature because touch doesn't work. I show you. You can watch. My touch doesn't work. It's bad. It's my bad. Right now I'm in a big problem. This is why I'm thinking to buy another new smartphone to do my daily works, to do whatever I have to work by smartphone. So that's why pray for me so that I can buy another one for complete my daily works. See you soon very much.